Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kia Forte rough idle issue and potential causes. A rough idle occurs when the engine shakes or vibrates unusually while the vehicle is at a complete stop. This can affect multiple model years of the Kia Forte, with some drivers reporting more noticeable symptoms in higher mileage vehicles. Common verified causes include dirty or faulty spark plugs, which may prevent smooth combustion. A malfunctioning or clogged fuel injector could lead to uneven fuel delivery, contributing to rough idle. Older generations may experience intake manifold vacuum leaks, which can disturb engine performance. Newer models could show issues related to the mass airflow sensor if it becomes dirty or fails. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Potential contributing factors could include carbon buildup on intake valves or a failing ignition coil, but these are possibilities and not confirmed for every Kia Forte. Solutions can involve replacing or cleaning spark plugs, inspecting and servicing fuel injectors, or checking sensors and vacuum lines for proper operation. Owner feedback trends suggest rough idle often appears alongside decreased fuel efficiency or minor engine hesitation in verified reports. Regular maintenance, including scheduled tune-ups and sensor cleaning, can reduce the likelihood of rough idle. Issues vary by vehicle generation and model year, so diagnosis by a certified mechanic is recommended for precise repair. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.